This is the Master Lock portable lock box with a set and reset combination. If you're selling your home for sale by owner, or you could be a real estate agent as well. This one is available. I'll put a link in the description below. It's about $30 and it allows you to set the combination very easily. And this one I liked over other models. I'll go ahead and get it out of the packaging to show you. Here's some of the good features behind this one. It has a rubberized body, so if you're hanging this on a door handle, you don't want anything, marking up the door as this gets moved around. So it's a very kind of sturdy rubber on the exterior. Of course, it's a steel lock. The combination is right there. I'll go ahead and do mine. And then you just push that tab down. So I just did that with one hand, as you can see. You put your keys in there. There's a little tab here that you move. And this allows you to set it over the door handle. So that little tab just moves to the left. Then you can lock it over the door handle. Now, as far as setting the combination, it's very easy. This pin you push to the left and down, and whatever combination you enter now on the front will be the combination required to unlock it. The default is all zeros, by the way, when you start this. And then you just pop it back up into place and it is ready to close. And now the combination is set, so you just mix it up, slide the door, and it is not going to open. This fits, it says 5 keys. You could probably fit more than 5 keys in here. I think maybe they're accommodating slightly larger keys than the average house key. So I'm going to be using this so that real estate agents that find my house listing, I don't have to be there, which is a big deal for everyone if the house is vacant like mine is. I already live somewhere else. So anyway, let me know what you think about this device. If you have one that you prefer, let me know in the comment section below. But like I said, you can pick this up. It's about $30 and I'll put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here we are. This is with the lock on the door. As you can see, it goes on nicely. It's not going to scratch the door. It's a pretty big compartment, and we'll just put the key in there. This way any real estate agent who calls me, and then we'll just mess up the combination there. I'll demonstrate. See, it's not going to open now. Securely on there. So now any agent that calls, I can let them in the house. I don't have to be there. Obviously, don't put all of your keys in there. So that is the Master Lock lockbox. Thanks for watching.